Good evening to you all. Today I'm going to tell you how to check your graphic card memory. So most of them have been looking for this tutorial because you cannot check the graphic card memory with the help of the any kind of shortcuts which you are using. For example, I'm just using the system properties. So here you can check the RAM and the system type and the processor type and whether the system also connected to the domain. So many things you can check here, but you cannot check the graphic card in this place. So for that you have another option. So I'll just type two commands which you need to use for checking those graphic card, and the one is dxdiag and the next one is msin432, and these are the two commands which needs to be used to check the graphic card memory. So first of all I will run the dxdiag. So for that you need to open the run and just type in dxdiag. So here you can see all the information which you have been seeing in the system properties: current date, system name, operating system versions, language, system manufacturer, system model, board model, BIOS, and the memory and the page file and the directories which you have been using. And for checking the graphic card you just need to go to this option called display, and here you can see which graphic card you are using and what is the approximate memory you are using. And don't just go into excitation, since this is not the approximate value your graphic card is having. So this is just a approximate total memory which your graphic card is having. For the real value you need to go to this option, that is msin432. So go to the MS system information and go to the components, and here go to the display option, and here you can see the RAM which your graphic card is having. Since I am using the AMD Radeon graphic processor, it is a Radeon HD 6670. I'm using 1 GB of graphic card, and the driver version which I am using here is 13.251. So this is the original value of graphic card, this is the value of RAM which your graphic card is having, and this is the approximate value of your RAM which your graphic card is showing. That is the including the page file for the graphic card it was showing, that is a 2.5 GB. So just don't get excited after seeing this value, because it is a page file, and this is where you can see the exact value of RAM which your system is having. And here you can also see other kind of stuffs like a system summary, everything you can see here. So here you can also see whether your graphic card is enabled DirectX 3D enabled and AGP texture enabled, and the driver model, that is a WDDM.3 enabled, and whether your graphic card is supporting the WHQL. And here itself we can see whether you can also check for the digital signatures, and you can also check the information for the sound card or the speakers which you are using. Most of the things can be seen here. So check this option in your system to see what your system exact information. So thank you for watching this video.